Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess? Receipts stuffed in your wallet, bank statements overflowing your inbox? If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to get a grip on their money, you know the struggle is real. There are countless accounting software options out there, promising to streamline your finances and make you a budgeting ninja. But with so many choices, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Especially when you see that price tag. Can good financial management really come at a cost? Well, let's talk about Wave. It's an accounting platform specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. It boasts features like invoicing, expense tracking, bill management, and even payroll for an additional fee. Sounds pretty comprehensive, right? But the real question is Wave another drain on your already stretched budget, or is it a free financial lifesaver? Free as in freedom and features. Here's the good news, the core functionalities of Wave are absolutely free. You can create a Wave account, send unlimited invoices and receipts, track your income and expenses, and even connect your bank account for automatic transactions. All without ever needing to whip out your credit card. This makes Wave a fantastic option for freelancers just starting out, solopreneurs, or anyone who wants to take control of their personal finances without breaking the bank. So, what's the catch? There isn't really a catch, but there are some additional features that Wave offers for a fee. These features are geared towards businesses that need a bit more muscle. For instance, if you want to accept credit card payments directly through Wave invoices, there's a processing fee associated with each transaction. Wave also offers a payroll service, which is another paid add-on. Payroll can be a complex beast, so having Wave handle it for you can be a lifesaver. Of course, this convenience comes at a cost, so be sure to factor that in if payroll is a necessity for your business. Who should consider the paid features? Let's say you're a freelance graphic designer with a growing clientele. Suddenly, managing invoices and chasing payments becomes a time-consuming chore. The ability to accept credit card payments directly through Wave invoices could be a game-changer, streamlining your workflow and potentially increasing your income by making it easier for clients to pay. Similarly, if you've taken the leap and hired your first employee, the convenience of Wave's payroll service might outweigh the cost. Freeing up your time to focus on what you do best, whether it's designing dazzling graphics or crafting the perfect marketing pitch. The bottom line, free or fee, Wave can help you catch your financial wave. The beauty of Wave is its flexibility. You can start completely free and access the core features you need to manage your finances. As your business grows, you can then choose to add on paid features that specifically address your evolving needs. Think of it like this, Wave is the surfboard. It gives you the foundation for riding the financial wave. The paid features are like fins, customizing your board for optimal performance as you navigate the sometimes choppy waters of self-employment or running a small business. Ultimately, the decision of whether to stick with the free version or explore the paid features is up to you. But one thing's for sure, Wave can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to ditch the financial chaos and get a handle on their money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.